And so, they found the whole camp murdered. Their throats were slit, and their skulls were crushed.
Oh, come on. Nice story, Eric.
Fine, don't believe me, but it happened right around here.
Camp Crystal Lake. Yeah. That story scared the shit out of me growing up.
Didn't some mom go nuts and kill some camp counselors?
Exactly. But they say her son, Jason, came back to get his revenge. He still lurks the woods to this day.
Shut the fuck up, Eric! Chad, I need to talk. Come on.
Make them remember, Jason. Make them suffer.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going on a walk.
Adam! Quit hanging out with that yuppie Chad and come in here.
Oh, come on. I don't ever get to hang out with the boys. At the end of the night.
Don't stop, Jason. They deserve to die. Make them suffer like we did.
No!
They deserve to die, Jason. Make them suffer. Don't stop, Jason. They deserve to die. Make them suffer like we did. They deserve to die, Jason. Make them suffer. Yes. Yes. Kill for Mother. Make Mommy proud, Jason. Don't let them escape.